Yeah, boys and girls, what's happening? We're back. Okay, so it's on the final day. Today's Friday. We're gonna try and finish off the car. I think it's one last thing. We've done wheel alignment, missing wheel spaces to bring the wheels out because the camp is quite hectic. So we want to try get a wider track, so we're going to put a wider spacer on the front, and I'm putting belts in today to complete the car. I don't know if you can see the wheel gap there, it's atrocious. So to fill this wheel gap, we're just going to put a spacer in there, bring it out a little bit, get a wider track. And then we're putting those bad boys in now. We're going to bolt two of them down there, and then I'm going to bolt two of them into the back seat over there where the belts go. So these are the belts. They're 2-inch belts. They're not 3-inch race spec belts, but it's going to do the job. So let's take these things out of the packaging and see what they look like. They're quite nice. I like them a lot because of the easeability of taking on and off. It's just like one buckle and then it's in. So that's what it is. That's what it's going to look like up against the seat. I think it's going to look dope. We've got the belts in. The belts are in for now. So that's kind of what they look like. It's bolted on here at the bottom and over there at the bottom. So it's bolted to the seat brackets. That bolt to the floor, so two's done. Now I've got to just assemble this rear seat to see where I can put them. Okay, that's that, boys and girls. Seat 1, seat 2 in. Looks pretty damn wickedly wild. I kind of like it. So that's kind of a glimpse of what it's going to look like sitting in a parking lot or at the racetrack or wherever it may be. Now I've got to take these guys all the way to the back, bolt them down. Probably going to bolt the two of them down on one bolt over there, and then the other two to the other one. So what we've got to do is we've got to pull this pin over there, drop the seat down, take this one, pull it up, drop that seat down, unbolt all of that over there, so we have access to one of those thick bolts at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it there. So there's one that's going to be a little bit skew, there's going to be a little bit skew, and then that's that. Alright, the back seats are out. Now I gotta pop that up. Now I can pull it forward, take these guys out of their hole. I should actually just take these guys out because it's weight. Yeah, maybe I'll take them out. But there's one bolt over here that needs to come out in order for the seats to come out, so this guy's got to come out. This is how I've done it. I've taken my safety belts out, saved like 100 grams of safety belt. Just taken my safety belts out and I've put the two together. They're a little bit off center, but it's not going to make a world of difference. What I'll do is I'll just tighten them like that. I just didn't want to make a bar across here to wrap around the bar and then make a bracket for the bar that it sits on. This was just the easiest, simplest way. It's basically taken me 20 minutes, maybe 30. And then I just got to tighten these guys up, put the seats back in, and then strap it to my tightness, and then I'm done. It's all bolted down, bolt, that bolt's in, that bolt there's in. Now it's just a matter of put the seats back, and there we go, done and dusted. Hopefully I don't have to adjust on these things, but that's it. It's done and dusted. I can tighten it up front. It's on. I think it's kind of straight, looks tight. That's what it looks like when it's all done and dusted. You've got a little bit of movement, but just depending on how tight you make them, you've got next level of no movement. So that's what it is about. I'm gonna loosen these things a little bit because it feels like it's strangling me. I'm gonna start the car, I'm gonna take it for a drive, see what it's all about, and yeah, see what it does. Whoa. Starts so nice for a car with high TVs. Taking the car out for a drive now. The belts are not bad, they're quite comfortable. Obviously you feel like a little sensation on your shoulders over here, but other than that it's easy to take off. It's got this one press release down there, so it's pretty easy to take off. You just swing your arm out, and it's easy to buckle back up. purchase. Obviously it's not a 3-inch race harness, but it is a race harness in essence. Hope you liked what you saw. Stay tuned, I'll be uploading more.